Ever found yourself staring at your to-do list, feeling like you should start, but instead, you're deep into a TikTok rabbit hole? Yeah, me too. But here's the thing. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy. It's a sneaky little habit that keeps us stuck. And today, we're putting an end to it. For good. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid game plan to finally beat procrastination, get things done, and actually feel good about it. So if you're tired of playing the I'll do it later game, stick around because this video might just change everything. So what's the plan? We're going to break this down into 3 simple steps. 1. Understanding why we procrastinate. Because if you know the enemy, you can defeat it. 2. How to trick your brain into action. No motivation? No problem. I got you. 3. Building a system that makes procrastination impossible, because willpower alone won't cut it. All right, let's dive in. First things first, why do we procrastinate? It's not just because we're lazy. Most of the time, it's one of these 3 things. 1. Fear. Fear of failure. Fear of not being perfect, or even fear of success. It's wild how our brains work. 2. Overwhelm. The task seems too big, so we avoid it altogether. 3. Instant gratification. That short-term pleasure of Netflix, Instagram, or snacking feels way more rewarding than starting a boring task. Relatable? Yeah, same. But don't worry, we're about to fix this. The trick to overcoming procrastination? Momentum. Here's how to hack your brain. 1. The 5-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'm just going to do this for 5 minutes. Most of the time, you'll keep going once you start. 2. Make it easy. If working out feels impossible, just put on your workout shoes. If writing a report is daunting, just open the document. 3. Use temptation bundling. Pair something you enjoy with something you're avoiding. Example? Listen to your favorite podcast while doing dishes. These little tricks make it so much easier to start, and starting is half the battle. Now let's make sure procrastination doesn't come back. Ever. 1. Plan ahead. Write your to-do list the night before. Waking up with a plan eliminates decision fatigue. 2. Use time blocking. Schedule tasks like meetings. If it's in your calendar, it's real. 3. Accountability. Find a friend, set deadlines, or even use an app that shames you for slacking. When you create a system where procrastination is harder than taking action, you win every time. All right, let's recap. Procrastination is just fear, overwhelm, or instant gratification messing with you. Trick your brain with small steps and hacks. Set up a system that makes taking action easy. And remember, perfection is overrated. Progress is what really matters. Now don't procrastinate on this. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more self-improvement tips and drop a comment below. What's your biggest procrastination struggle? Let's beat this together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.